Hello, Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, August 14th. Happy Aloha Friday. The Department of Health reported one new case on Kauai today, which brings the total number of active cases on island to 7 and the cumulative total of cases to date to 54. Yesterday, we announced 2 new cases, but only one of those was reported on the statewide count. Therefore, we anticipate today's statewide count to reflect 2 cases for Kauai. The statewide count is updated at noon daily at www.hawaiicovid19.com. Most of our recent cases are related to travel. This is an important reminder that now is not a good time to participate in leisurely travel. All Kauai cases are in isolation and identified close contacts are in quarantine. The Department of Health is continuing its contact tracing investigation of today's new case. With the reopening of DOE schools slated for Monday, August 17th, we know there have been many questions and concerns. Today we have invited our Kauai Complex Area Superintendent, Mr. Paul Zena, to provide more information and resources on the upcoming school year.
Mahalo, Mayor Kaukami. The DOE is taking steps to align with recent restrictions prompted by the increase in COVID-19 cases statewide. To support our many multi-generational households and the unique needs of our community, Kauai has taken a proactive approach to planning for health and safety in schools and throughout our island. This has helped us continue the success we have experienced with our pandemic-related response. In addition to this, to address the increasing pandemic-related withdrawals from school and increasing parent requests for full distance learning, we will be moving to a distance learning model in all Kauai schools. We appreciate the ability and authority given by the Superintendent Kishimoto and by Governor Ige to address reopening school needs by county and by complex area. Although educational institutions are deemed an essential business under state and county rules, the DOE supports taking this action to greatly reduce the number of individuals on our campuses for the first 4 weeks of the school year. While most students will participate in full distance learning, special considerations will be given to vulnerable students for more in-person learning and access to school. We will ensure our students and Ohana understand how to access online learning. Families can go to ohanahelpdesk.org or call 643-DESK. That's 643-DESK. or 643-3375 to get help when needed. In addition, schools will provide grab-and-go meal service for all enrolled students, with students allowed to get their meal from any public school. Families are expected to continue to pay for their meals during the school year. As Mayor Kawakami referenced, August 17th remains the opening date for school. We're excited for the return of all the students. I ask that all the families support their teachers and their administrators and their school staff as they reopen school safely for your children, whether it be online or in person. Please contact your school directly if you have specific questions regarding scheduling, bus, or meal service for your child. Mahalo.
Mahalo, Paul. We thank our Kauai team of DOE staff and teachers who have been working so hard to make the best of a difficult situation, and we wish our keiki a safe and successful school year. As a follow-up to our announcement on Wednesday, Governor Ige has approved our amended Mayor's Emergency Rule 13. Effective immediately, the reduced size of permitted outdoor gatherings is now 25, down from 100 people. The indoor gathering limit remains at 10. As a reminder, Mayor's Emergency Rule 13 on gatherings is specific to social, casual gatherings such as birthday parties, baby showers, backyard barbecues, and other types of social functions. This rule does not apply to allowable businesses, operations, and activities such as schools, churches, restaurants, and retail stores. Those businesses and operations must determine their own maximum capacity based on their ability to comply with physically distancing and other CDC guidelines pursuant to the governor's statewide order. Child and Family Service, along with community partners, will provide food, supplies, and support services to Kauai families in need in a drive-in event from 9 a.m. to noon tomorrow, August 15th in Lihue. The event is called Festival of Hope for Families. Participants will receive Chef Hui Ohana meal kits, produce bags, a community resource packet, PPE items, and educational resources. They will also receive a CFS Family Lokahi kit, which includes fun activities and family resources. CFS staff will be on site to provide advice and education resources. This event is free to families in need. However, you must register in advance for this event. So please register today at childandfamilyservice.org/festival or call 808-821-2520. As our numbers continue to rise across the state, we thank each of you for being responsible when you leave your home and engage with others. We each have a role to play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. That means stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.